To make a profile on ResearchGate, we go to researchgate.net. Then we can join it for free. We can click join for free, or we can connect with LinkedIn, or we can connect with Facebook. So currently Facebook connecting the ID with Facebook is not working. We can connect with the LinkedIn. We will see this later, or we can join for free. Just click on join for free. This will redirect to new page. So there are 4 categories under which we can join: academic, corporate, and then medical, and then not a researcher. So let us click on academic or student, because sign up process for each category is somehow same. So once we click over it, it will ask institution and department. So we can enter the institution name and department name, and then we can continue, or we can skip this step for the later. We can fill when our profile is our account is ready, then we can edit, or we can update our profile. So here it is asking our first name and last name, and then most important thing is that institutional email address. So in most of the cases we may be having an institutional email address, but in some cases we may not have institutional email address. So in that case there are other ways we can connect this to LinkedIn account, or we can connect this with Facebook account. So we will see that later. So now here another way, if you don't want to connect with that social media account, so we can ask some researcher who has their account on ResearchGate. So he can send an invitation, and through that invitation, after completing certain formalities, just like we need to fill some details, we can join through that link using our personal email address. In that case, we don't need our institutional email address. So if we have a institutional email address, we can enter, and then we can enter password, and then we can check agree to terms condition of ResearchGate, and then we can continue. Once we click continue, our profile is ready for login. So this is how we can sign up with institutional email address. Now I will show how to invite another researcher or colleague who don't have institutional email address. Here is my profile, and I want to invite some of my colleague or co-author. Then in that case I'll go to my profile, and then I just click here invite your co-author. And then here we have the option that to invite co-author. So Ocean Khan, I can invite him just by clicking over here, inviting him, if he is my co-author. Then if I want to invite some other people, then I just click here invite colleagues, and then I will put here email address. Note that every month I can invite up to maximum 5 researcher or colleagues or student each month. So here I need to just input email address. Suppose I am just writing, and then send invitation. So once I click over send invitation, this will send an email to that email address. Here we see that the invitation have been received. I click on accept invitation. It will redirect to researchgate.net. and then click on academic or student. Fill the detail, institution and department name. I'm just skipping this step here, and then your first name. Suppose I'm writing my name is Virendra, and then suppose I'm writing Tripathi, and then my email address was vktmaths@gmail.com, and then password, let me choose, and then click on agree and then continue. So here this will ask whether I am this author or that author, if I have some publication. Otherwise he can skip this step just by clicking over skip this step. And then a majority of research get publication added to their profile. So this is, there is an option he can add my publication, or I may not add publication right now, I can add later on. So let us skip this step. So here some question is there, so you need to select some these question and answer. So select your education level, so PhD or postdoc or something he can, and then publication history, if I have some publication or not. If I have some publication, then okay, otherwise we can select other two options. So suppose I don't have any publication as of now, and then there is some thing to be written, please describe your research. If I want to do some research or what, so I can write something over here, and then request for a free account. So once we will send our request for free account, they will see our application and scrutiny it, and then they will grant the permission. So this is how we can join through the invitation.